let's fix if the lock Facebook profile is not working. Now, if you're trying to go into your Facebook profile and completely lock it down so that no one else can see your content, your images, your statuses, all of that stuff, I'll show you why it might not be working and how to get it fixed. Now, let's open up Facebook here and tap on the menu at the bottom right. And we'll tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, even if you tap on the search at the top right and hit on, let's just search for lock, you can see there's nothing that comes up on my specific profile that allows me to turn on a lock. And the reason for this is because Facebook limits that feature to only some countries. Now, there is a cool list here of the countries, and you can see them right here. And you can see I'm in the United States, and it is not on this list. So I don't have the feature that I can just automatically, with one click, lock down my Facebook profile. However, I can still do all of the things a Facebook profile lock would do. I just have to manually do them. So let's go back into Facebook here, and let's just go back to the settings. Now, the key is if you go down, you can see audience and visibility. Basically, you need to go through this entire sublist and make sure everything is set to as limited as possible. So for instance, profile details. Let's go in here. You might want to remove anything that you don't want in your profile, any details in terms of contact information, where you've lived, where you've worked, education. Now let's go back, tap on how people can find and contact you. On all of these things, say who can send you friend requests. You can switch it from everyone to friends of friends. Who can see your friend list? Only me. Who can look you up by email address or phone number? Only me. And allow search engines outside of Facebook to link. I turn that off. So let's go back and go to posts. And you can see limit who can see past posts. This is a great option to switch all of your old posts to limit the privacy of them so that it's not set to everyone. It's only set to either friends or friends of friends. Now let's go back. Who can see future posts? You might want to switch this from public over to hitting more, maybe just specific friends or even only me. And then basically go through this entire list. So stories, reels, followers, profile and tagging, blocking, and then finally your active status is a good one. You want to make sure that is toggled off. So unfortunately, there's no one button that allows you to lock your profile in the United States and a lot of countries, but you can still go through this entire list and lock down everything so that you've essentially locked it. Anyone else won't be able to just go to your profile, see randomly what's on your profile, photos, statuses, all of that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.